Hello everybody, today I'll be showing you how to make custom folders on Mac. If you have any suggestions for videos I should make in the future, comment them down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. To change the color of a folder, you first need to have a folder, so I'll create one right now. Now right-click it, and click Get Info. Select the folder icon in the top left, and make sure that it's highlighted in blue, then press Command-C to copy it. Open Preview and press Command-N to create a new window from Clipboard. Now you can press Markup and use any of the options to customize your folder. Select the prism to change the color of the folder. Select the text box to add text to your folder. Click the background of your folder and press Command-A to select it, then press Command-C to copy it. Now select the folder icon again and press Command-V to paste your folder into it. Now you have a folder with custom color and text. You can also use images as your folder. I recommend using square images, but any image will work. First, I'll show you what not to do. You don't want to just copy your image out of Finder, because if you do that, then your folder will look like this. This happens because you're copying the file, not the actual image. A good way to copy the image is opening Google Chrome and dragging your file into the URL bar. Here you can right-click and copy your image. Now minimize Google Chrome and paste your image into the top left icon. Your folder now has a custom image. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any suggestions for videos I should make in the future, comment them down below.